February 1st, 2011, Des Moines, Iowa. We have a blizzard in action. Now I am back out of the wind, and as you can see, we are getting some snow. I don't know, drift's getting to be about 2.5 feet. Let's see if I can get some of that. And you can hear the wind without. There we go. Whew. Actually, the wind's dying down a little bit right now. There you go. And here, let's walk down to the street. This camera's just being a pain tonight. They don't like this call. Forgive the wind, as we're about to go into it. Ooh, stay warm, everybody.